Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Salesforce to HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, to integrate the two, it's very easy. You just need to search for the integration on the app marketplace, and I'll show you exactly where you need to find it. Now, to go to the app marketplace, just go into data management, click on integrations, and then go into the app marketplace. Now, once you're here, you're going to search for the Salesforce app. So let's just type in Salesforce. And as you can see, the first app is the Salesforce integration. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. I cannot install it since I don't have a plan that supports it. However, if you have a subscription, you should be able to install this app and use it. Now, even though I can't use it, I'll show you some of its features. The integration features are that you can set it up without any technical knowledge. You can send valuable lead intelligence to your sales team through Salesforce and HubSpot. You can prioritize leads and close the loop between marketing and sales as well. And you also have two-way activity ticket and custom object sync. And yeah, that is the benefits of this app. I can't show you guys because, again, I don't have the plan, and I can't, for some reason, create an account on Salesforce. I've been trying for about a week now. It just doesn't happen. When I click the button to register, nothing happens. It just puts me where it was before, or I just stay there on that page. And yeah, you also do need to share data between the two, so you'll need to allow the share of data. You'll need the contacts for leads and contacts, companies for accounts, deals for opportunities, tasks for tasks, and tickets for cases. And that is basically all you need to do and all you need to know. It's very easy. Just click install app, follow the steps, and everything should be fine. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.